Hi, I'm Charlotte. I've written a book called Credit Ruin to Creditworthy, in which I teach you about credit reporting and how to increase your credit score. Have you ever tried to get a loan or credit card but was denied? Or tried to buy a car after seeing a 0% financing ad only to learn that you did not qualify for 0% but instead your rate was more like 12%? Are you paying more for your home than your neighbor because your mortgage interest rate is higher? I have been a victim of each of these incidents. The problem was I had bad credit and a low credit score. Since then I've learned how to manage my credit and now I have good credit. In my book, Credit Ruin to Creditworthy, I explain the credit reporting process and credit repair. I tell you what creditors look for on your credit report, what makes your credit rating go up and down, and how to increase your score. I also share my own story about how I survived 2 bankruptcies, a car repossession, near foreclosure, and lived to charge again. By applying the methods in my book, you save time and money and learn credit management habits that will last a lifetime. So go to www.creditruintocreditworthy.com and get my book and learn how to repair your own credit and increase your credit score. The link is also in the description below this video.